Welcome back to another vlog today, and we are going to Cagayan de Oro again. We're doing some paperwork, and here I am driving and enjoying the Indian samosa in Philippines, and it just cost me 35 peso each. It's quite expensive as compared to India, but it tastes yummy. So let's go. Stay tuned. Watch the video till the end. And this is my Punjabi tadka. It cost me 150 peso, so Indian almost 220. That's fine. The taste is worth it compared to money. So it's the starting of mountain area where we are going up to the cave area, and here the real beauty starts now. Here we go with the freshness, lot of oxygen, and so dark green color with lot of mountains. Look at the peaks, it's all about the peace. So if you want to travel Philippines, if you want to visit such a beautiful places like this, I'm sure you have to go Mindanao. Mindanao. मने लग्यो बरसाने में तो डिजिटल जूम देन ऐसी जे बोलो मैं जोर तो बोलो बल खुशबानो दुलारी Hello guys, so after so long we are already in Cagayan de Oro and we are going to a cafe. I'll show you a mystery cafe here that is viral on Instagram and YouTube. Look at the peoples doing skateboard in the middle of roads. 60 meters, turn right. Oh, sorry, left, left, left. Look at the jeepney. This is a World War II vehicle. So in World War II, it was a jeep from American Army, and then they just cut it off and made a vehicle of transport here. So this is the public transport here. Don't give a short street, so small. So this is the way going to that cafe, and just see. Oh wow, it's like a cave or tunnel of trees. It is showing there at the back. We cannot park here. Doing walking, and it's a lot of vehicles coming at the back. And this one will be on the side. This is the main road, and it looks like that. Look at their menu. Their prices are equal to the Starbucks. This is their kitchen, and it's a concept like homes. So in your house, you just make a coffee shop. It's quite interesting and promising. Now in Central Mall, and I'll show you what can we do here. People are looking at my face. It's like a foreign object moving around. Bread talks in Philippines. Amazing. Look at that in the middle of a mall. It's like a kid play zone plus green zone in the middle of a mall. Look at this tree. It's around, I think, minimum 30 to 40 years old, and still in the middle of mall. They did not cut it. Instead, they leave it around and change their plan. And there is one more over there, the big one. I think that one should be minimum 50 to 70 years. Much more bigger than this one. Yeah. How peaceful is it to watch the kids playing? No stress, no need to look for money, no need to go for a job, just enjoy. थारे भाई ने ले लिया आइसक्रीम और ये है avocado आइसक्रीम प्लस कुकीज एंड क्रीम. And this one is SM Cagayan de Oro. SM Mall Cagayan. And that one I don't know. It's Hyundai brand, and fully air conditioned. Wow, it's nice. Nice. Street food in Philippines. Malunggay, pandesal, cheese. SM Mall Cagayan de Oro. Unique thing today in SM Mall in Cagayan de Oro. That's a garden and terrace, and look at that. So beautiful. Look at that damn thing. So good. And it's only and only on the 5th floor of the mall. Imagine. Look at the view of the city from the terrace of SM Mall Cagayan de Oro. And this is, I don't know what is it. I think it's office spaces. And that's so amazing and beautiful during the night time too. And this is from the event center of the mall, and it's having a terrace over here. There you guys can see the sea also. That one is seaport with some oil storage facilities. Papa Tillu is already on the that's their office for DFA, for issuing passport and all the works. Department of Foreign Affairs. The canine dog. Coffee break. We are here already in the Starbucks.
They replied, but I already passed, so I think it's okay.
Test mana. We are in Starbucks, and it's time for little coffee. And my favorite coffee in Starbucks is iced white mocha. So comment below which one is your favorite coffee. Go with our coffee Starbucks.
When it's activated, high activated.
Single sip will make it charge.
Next step, it's not cold yet.
If you are battery low, try this. You cannot sleep for a whole night if you drink it in the evening. A burger now. Look at the prices. And for vegetarians, they just have one option, that is plant-based Whopper. And I don't like it. Look at the effect of war in Philippines. The things are so expensive already, and their prices are, look at the price of fuel, 85.94 per liter. And earlier this price was just 50 peso or 47 peso per liter, and now it's almost 90 or 100. So see, it's very big effect of the war. and at the end who is making money is the business owners, the owner of the gasoline stations. The reason why, it's the same oil, they have the same storages, but they have already doubled their prices overnight, and all the money is being paid by the regular civilians. This is the side effects of war, and at the end who is making money? All the businessmen. Time to go back home already, and I'm already on the way back home, and the price of diesel is so expensive. That's why I'm driving the car at good average speed so that I can make more mileage. Another one, Patron, 80 per liter. I saw a unique thing on road, then I'm just running to show it to you. Over there, just see there is a Hilux, and it's really so nice modified. The back trolley is covered. There is a camping tent on the roof, and their air inhaler is so nice. This one. Look at that. Crazy. In Philippines, cars are quite cheaper than India and other countries, especially the Ford, Toyota. Over here, the Hilux cost around 14 to 15 lakh Indian rupees. So it's so cheap. Over there in India, there is 35 or 40 lakh, but here it starts with 14 lakh. And Ford Ranger, Ford Endeavor, Ford is around, that also starts with 10 lakh to 15 lakh, and maximum it goes is around 20 lakh. So you can buy the best and 3.2 liter engine for just a 20 lakh Indian rupees. So if you are also planning to do so, you have to come Philippines.
Love my city, got love for my people. I put on all that shit for me though. That money up, now your boy got it go. That's why you cut the check, nigga. Another